Hi everybody. Today I have the Macy's Beauty Box for September 2021. Okay, there's a mask outside of the bag. Tony Moly I'm Lavender mask sheet. And an oops card. Uh-oh. Says we had to substitute one of the samples in your box. Sorry about that. But don't worry, we're pretty sure you'll love what we sent instead. Okay? And there's the picture with, oh, $10 off this time. That's great. Because the box is only $15. Okay, and then there's a beautiful, I guess it's like iridescent type. I really like this. This is one of the prettiest bags they've sent, I think. I really like it. It feels good too. All right, let's see what's in the pink paper. This is everything in the paper. So the first thing is Mineral Fusion Nail Lacquer. This retails for $8.99 and it says sea salt nail polish. Since the only chips in your life should come from the grocery store, Mineral Fusion created a chip-proof high-performance nail polish that's as seamless to apply as it is to wear. It's cruelty-free, vegan, and very likely to be complimented every single day. Apply over base coat and under top coat for maximum wear. I'd like to see what this color looks like though. It says lift for easy application. So you just pull the cap off and then there's the actual brush. I'm going to put it on my pinky just to see how it looks. Okay, that's one coat of it. I would layer another one on top. But it's a nice, subtle color. Okay, next we have something from Clarins. This is the Extra Firming Energy Day Cream. It says, no matter the weather, grab some sunshine made specifically for your skin. This 2-in-1 day cream visibly firms skin and boosts your natural glow with a formula of vitamin-charged super fruits. Full size retails for $88. It says, apply to clean face and neck every morning for radiant skin throughout the day. There. And we have from Clinique, the Almost Lipstick in Black Honey. It says, remember mood rings? Imagine that but for your lips. Transparent pigment blends with the natural tone of your lips to create a hue completely unique to you. It's like a custom color without having to put in the work. The full size retails for $20. It says, swipe the sheer coverage over your lips and watch the magic happen. I already have one of these actually. And it really is a nice sheer wash of color. It's like a berry color. Not as dark or as opaque as it looks. But it is very pretty. I do like this. Okay, next from Bare Minerals, we have Mineralist Gloss Balm. Now you can give your lips the best of both worlds. A nourishing balm and a high shine gloss. All in one pretty package. Cold pressed fruit oils keep your lips feeling soft, smooth, and hydrated all day long. The full size retails for $20 and it says wear alone for glossy color or layer over lipstick. Let's see how it looks. I might have one of these too. This is in the shade Sincerity. I I'm not sure. It's a pretty nude color. If I have one, I don't think I have this shade. Let's see. It's a pretty, ooh, that's a pretty color. Let's see how that looks. It smells good, like berries. Oh, that's pretty. Okay, I like that. And I believe the mask is the oops item, because in the description it says the I'm Hemp sheet mask, and I received the I'm Lavender sheet mask. The hemp mask is supposed to be replenishing for dull, tired skin, and the lavender one is hydrating. So that's fine. I'm just as happy with this mask as I would have been with the other one. And as always, we have perfume samples. This time we have Bad Boy for the guys and Very Good Girl for the women. Let's test the scent. Oh, I like it. It's it has that kind of fresh, almost citrusy, but not quite citrusy, but it has a freshness about it. Yeah, this is nice. And Very Good Girl has a red high heel. The original Good Girl had a clear one. This one is red. So let's see what this smells like. It's nice, kind of spicy and a little bit sweet. I like this one too. Okay, so for the Macy's Beauty Box, we got the Mineral Fusion Nail Lacquer, the Clarins Radiance Boosting Day Cream, the Tony Moly I'm Lavender Face Mask, Bare Minerals Mineralist Lip Gloss Balm in Sincerity, the Clinique Almost Lipstick in Black Honey. From Carolina Herrera, we got the Bad Boy and the Very Good Girl perfume samples. And the $10 off of my next $40 beauty purchase at Macy's. And of course, the beautiful bag. So that's everything that we got in the September Macy's Beauty Box. Thank you for watching. Bye.